Hi! In this tutorial, we'll be explaining the difference between revising and reviewing documents in NovaCore. And we'll show you how to use each function. When a document is due for review, you have the option to either revise it or review it. Revise a document if you need to update it and make any changes to its content. Review a document if it's due for review, but doesn't require any content changes. To revise the document, right-click on it and select Revise, or select the document and then select Revise in the ribbon menu under the Manage tab. In the pop-up window, you can edit the document name. We'll leave the name the same for now. Select whether this is a major or minor revision. If it's a major revision, the new revision number counts up to the next whole number. But if it's a minor revision, the revision number decimal position will increment. For this demo, we'll leave it as minor. If you're not the document approver, set who should approve the document once it's revised here. Enable this current option to mark the current revision as obsolete and the new revision as current but not approved. Note that this is not the normal practice and should only be used if you want to force an approved document out of circulation immediately until this new revision is approved. You can put revision notes in here. Revision notes show on your reports, and we highly recommend you use this feature, as it's a great way to show continuous improvement. If you want to, you can upload an external file here. This is useful if you've already created a new version of your document and want to replace the old file with a new one. Click OK. Your document will open in the relevant application. This is a Word document, so it opens up in Word. Make the changes you need to make and approve it. Or save as complete. Saving as complete will notify the person you set as the document approver that the document is ready to be approved. Now your document is updated, and once it's approved, you're good to go. Until it's approved, the document status will be waiting approval. Reviewing documents is much quicker. Use this option if you don't need to make any changes to the document, but simply need to update the review date. Right-click on the document and choose Review, or select the document, and then select the Review button on the ribbon menu under the Manage tab. Select Yes. And that's it. You can see here that the document's review date has been updated according to our review interval, which in this case is 12 months. But the revision number is the same because we didn't make any actual changes to the document. Thank you for watching this NovaCore training video. If you need more information, check out our manual at help.novacore.com.au or our FAQ page at faq.novacore.com.au.